Navigating dental filling costs, Europe versus Turkey. Dental fillings are the most common treatment for tooth decay as well as cavities. They're required to repair the functionality and structure of the tooth which has been damaged due to decay. The cost for dental fillings may differ based upon the nation you're within. In this clip, we'll explore the difference in dental filling prices across Europe as well as Turkey. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, the cost for dental fillings is a bit different according to the location the patient is within. It is generally the case that Western European countries tend to cost more when it comes to dental treatment compared with Eastern European countries. For instance, in nations such as those of the UK, Germany, and France, it is possible to find that the cost of dental fillings may be anywhere between €100 up to €300 or even. The pricey dentistry within Western European countries is primarily due to the increased prices of living as well as cost of labor. Furthermore, there are numerous European countries are governed by strict guidelines and high standards in dental health, which may cause a rise in price of dental treatments. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey. Turkey is becoming a well-known tourist destination for medical tourism for dental services. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared with many European countries. In Turkey, there is a cost for dental fillings can range between €20 up to €70 based upon the type of filling you require and the location you pick. There are many reasons dentistry is more affordable in Turkey. For one, the price to live in Turkey is much lower than several European nations, which leads to lower expenses for dental clinics. Furthermore, Turkey has a competitive healthcare market that includes a number of private dentists who provide top-quality services at reasonable cost. Quality of dental treatments in Turkey. The biggest concern people face when they seek dental treatment overseas is the standard of treatment they'll get. Yet, Turkey has a reputation for offering high-quality dental services that are in line with the standards of international standard. The majority of dental clinics within Turkey utilize state-of-the-art equipment and strictly adhere to procedures for hygiene in order to guarantee that their patients are safe and satisfied. Patients. In Turkey, dentists in Turkey have excellent training and experience with a broad range of dental services, including dental fillings. The majority of dentists in Turkey have completed their studies as well as training from reputable universities in other countries and are fluent in multiple languages to accommodate patients from abroad. Factors to consider when choosing a clinic. In the event you're thinking of the possibility of dental fillings for your teeth within Europe or Turkey, there are many aspects to be considered. Consider first the expense of the procedure as well as how it is within your budget. Even though dental treatment in Turkey are more affordable, be sure to investigate the dental clinic as well as the experience of dentists for a guarantee of top-quality treatment. Consider the cost of travel and accommodations for dental treatment in other countries. Turkey is a famous tourist destination that is known for its long culture, gorgeous landscapes, as well as delicious cuisine that could make your dental process more pleasant. Conclusion. In the end, the price of dental fillings within Europe as well as Turkey could be very different. Even though Europe could have higher prices in terms of dental treatment, Turkey offers affordable options with no compromise on quality dental care. When making your choice, be aware of the costs as well as the quality of treatment and many other elements when selecting an office for your fillings for your dental.